Good morning, little man. Show everybody how you play. Huh? I'm so happy. Where's your toys? What's this? And this. You're just too busy working at the camera. Showing everybody how cute you are. Yes. Yes, I'm adorable. It's football day today, so we have an appropriate shirt. Alright then. We'll see you later.